loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a little self-care Saturday, which is going to include some skincare as well as some hair care. And so if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you guys stay tuned. Okay loves, so hopefully you guys have been enjoying the videos that I've been putting out now that your girl is officially back. So while I was on my hiatus, I did receive a couple of packages from Influencer. So one of them was a skincare package that included products from the Fountain of Truth. It's a new skincare beauty company from some famous person, I don't know her name. But yeah, so either way, I received 3 products. So these are the 3 products right here. And so the first product I received was the Dream Cream Overnight Repair Mask, the Honey Glow Mask, and then the Truth Insta Face Lift Elixir. And so yeah, I received these 3 products and I've been using them over the course of, I want to say, a month, and I absolutely love the products. My favorite is the Honey Glow Mask. It has a warming sensation like when you put it on your face. My least favorite is probably the Truth Insta Face Lift Elixir, because I don't like the smell. I feel like it has like some type of herbal something in it that I just don't like the smell of it. But as far as the products, they're very luxurious products, and I do notice a difference as far as in my skin. And so I'm just going to show you guys how I use it in the video. So the next thing that I received from Influencer, so this is what some of the boxes look like, was the Garnier Fructis Curl Treats Leave-In Stylers. So this one I was truly excited about because, as you guys can see, your girl is natural. So yeah, I was definitely excited to see what these products are going to be about. And so they sent me 2 products, which is the Garnier Fructis Style Curl Treat Butter Hydrating Cream, and then I received this one, which is the Garnier Fructis Style Curl Treat Jelly Shaping. So the beautiful thing about these are, it says they are 98% naturally derived ingredients. So it says no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no artificial colorants, and no mineral oils. And it says yes, 92% biodegradable formula. So yeah, if you guys are natural and you don't want to use all of that stuff that I just mentioned, then these are absolutely great products for your hair. I did try them out on my hair, so as you guys see, these products are both in my hair, and I absolutely love the products. So one thing that I love is that it doesn't have the bad stuff in these products, but then I also love the smell and the consistency of both of these products. But more so than that, I love that after I did my hair and I took out my twist out, that I didn't receive any type of like build up or like dandruff or flakes. Like I've seen that before when I've used products where I'll see like white flaky stuff that's on my clothes when I take down my twist out, but I didn't receive none of that. This hold is amazing. This is me just picking my hair out. And so yeah, I'm definitely feeling both of these brands. So thank you, Influencer, for sending me these things. So for me, self-care just means taking care of me, mind, body, and soul. And so I definitely want to let you guys see what I look like without a beat face, because you know, hey, I love a beat face, but I also love my natural skin as well. And I wanted you guys to see what my natural hair is looking like right now. As you guys know, I'm constantly wearing wigs, and so it's only every once in a while that you guys get to see this thing right here on my head that is full of gray hairs. And so yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Yeah.